since we are talking about maybe the differences in genders in a certain respect, what I guess is there anything you can point to that you see that when a man is going to come into your office and file for divorce, or when a woman's going to come into your office, are there any fundamental differences you're seeing, or is it kind of a cluster of the same things?
It's a cluster of the same emotions. It's more the dynamics of the relationship about how that client perceives the kids being treated by the other parent. It doesn't have to
Right.
be true, it's just their perception. That
Huh.
client's perspective of how money is handled and what they've been through. But at the end of the day, what people don't realize, it's not about you and it's not about them and it's not about your arguments. It's about what's a parenting plan and best for the kids? How are you going to divide up your assets and debts? In Florida, that's called equitable distribution. What, if any, money is getting paid from one spouse to the other during the pendency of the case or afterwards? That's called alimony. How much is child support and who owes whom, how much, and for how long?
Right.
And then the process and attorney's fees. So there's a lot of things you can argue about in a divorce.
Right.
And, I always have clients come in, and this is what you should be listening for your lawyer to ask you on that first consultation. What are your goals? If I could wave the magic wand and get you what you want out of this divorce, what is that?
Huh.
That's a way of asking what's most important to you. And what will happen is you get 6 months into it, 8 months, 10 months, 12 months, 18 months, and you're in a settlement, you're in a mediation, and you're going to settle. And let's say I get my client what I perceive is to be a fair, and I put fair in quotes, but a good offer. What I mean by that is it might happen in court, but we can get it now, so why go to court?
Right.
And then they keep reaching for more, and they keep reaching for more, and they keep reaching for more. And I'm like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Originally, you told me here were your top 5 goals and priorities in this order. We've achieved those, and now we're on number 7, 8, and 9, and you keep pushing. Why are you going to lose this deal when you're on number 9 or 10 now?
Right.
Right? Stay focused on what your ultimate goals were, and are those goals achievable through the process or through the legal system? Because some people have a goal that I'll say, look, you're not getting that unless the other side agrees. So, for example, in Florida, the goal might be, I want dad to pay for the kids' college. I said, I don't get that unless it's by agreement, because the Florida courts do not have the power to order that to happen.
Huh.
So I just can't do that for you. I'm sorry. Let's move on to the next one.